Which is the largest district in Karnataka by area? Answer option A, Belagavi. What is the capital city of Karnataka? Answer option B, Bengaluru. Which river is known as the lifeline of North Karnataka? Option B, Krishna Nadi. Which is the smallest district in Karnataka by area? Option A, Kodagu. In which district is Jog Falls located? Option B, Shivamogga. Which mountain range runs through Karnataka? Option C, Western Ghats. Which city is known as the Silicon Valley of India? Option B, Bengaluru. What is the major port in Karnataka? Option B, New Mangalore Port. Which Karnataka city is famous for silk production? Option B, Mysore. Which wildlife sanctuary is located in Karnataka? Option A, Bandipur. Which river originates at Talakaveri? Answer option B, Kaveri. Where is the famous Gomateshwara statue located? Option B, Shravanabelagula. Which district is known for coffee production? Option B, Kodagu. Which lake is known as the largest in Karnataka? Option C, Shanti Sagar. What is the state animal of Karnataka? Answer option B, Indian Gaur. Where is the Kudremukh iron ore located? Option A, Chikkamangaluru. In which region is Raichuru Doba situated? Option A, right answer. What is the official language of Karnataka? Option B, Kannada. Which city is known as the cultural capital of Karnataka? Option A, Mysuru. Which district is famous for sandalwood? Option B, Chamarajanagar. Where is the Bhadra Wildlife Sanctuary located? Option B, Shivamogga. Which dam is built across the Tungabhadra river? Option C, Tungabhadra Dam. What is the nickname of Hubballi Dharwad city? Option A, Twin Cities. Where is the Hoysaleshwara temple located? Option A, Halebeedu. Which district has the highest literacy rate in Karnataka? Option B, right answer. Which Karnataka city is a major educational hub? Option B, Bengaluru. In which district is the Agumbe rainforest located? Option B, Shivamogga. Which Karnataka river forms the Shivasamudra Falls? Option B, Kaveri. Which city is called the City of Palace? Option A, Mysuru. Which place is known for the Yakshagana folk theatre? Option B, Mangaluru. Which major crop is grown in Mandya district? Option A, sugarcane. Which national park is located in Karnataka? Option A, Bandipur. Which district is the Raichuru thermal power station located? Option A, Raichuru. What is the name of the famous fort in Bidar? Option B, Bidar Fort. Where is the University of Agricultural Science headquartered? Option A, Dharwad. Which Karnataka city has a naval base? Option A, Karwar. Where is the ISRO facility located in Karnataka? Option B, Bengaluru. Which Karnataka city is known for tile manufacture? Option A, Mangaluru. In which district is the Dandeli Wildlife Sanctuary located? Option B, Uttar Kannada. Which place in Karnataka is known for the ancient caves temple? Option A, Badami. Which region received the highest rainfall in Karnataka? Option B, Agumbe. Which city is located at the confluence of the Krishna and Guptas? Option A, Bagalkot. Which hill station is in Karnataka is known for its cool climate? Option A, Chikmagaluru. Which Karnataka district borders Goa? Option A, Uttar Kannada. What is the main occupation in coastal Karnataka? Option B, fishing. In which district is Ranganatittu bird sanctuary located? Option A, Mandya. Which region of Karnataka is called the Hyderabad Karnataka region? Option A, North Karnataka. Which dam is located in the Krishna river basin? Option A, Alamatti Dam. Which Karnataka city is known for its gold mine? Option A, Kolar. Where is the Hampi UNESCO World Heritage Site located? Option A,